Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, where we uncover the truth behind viral products and websites that promise unbelievable results. Today, we're taking a closer look at a trending product called Dr Curvy Cherry Glam. It claims to restore your shape, lift, and firmness naturally without surgery or hormones. Sounds amazing, right? But is it really a legit product or just another too-good-to-be-true scam? Let's find out! According to the website, Dr. Curvy's Cherry Glam is a natural formula designed to help women enhance their curves, tighten skin, and improve body shape, all within 1 month of use. They market it as a safe, surgery-free, and hormone-free solution to help you look more toned and lifted. It's usually sold as part of a 1-month transformation pack with glossy before and after photos and a lot of big promises. But before you spend your money, let's analyze if it really works or not. There's no verifiable company behind the website. The site doesn't share a real business address, brand registration, or manufacturing details. The product's claims sound scientifically unrealistic. Restoring shape and firmness naturally in just 30 days without hormones or exercise, that's a huge red flag. There's no ingredient list or medical proof on the site. Genuine supplements or creams usually provide full transparency about what's inside. Fake testimonials and stock photos are commonly used on such sites to build false trust. The website was recently created, and there's no genuine customer feedback or independent reviews available online. All these signs suggest that Dr. Curvy's Cherry Glam might not be a legitimate or trustworthy product. Some users who ordered from similar websites have reported delayed deliveries, no refunds, or poor quality products. In many cases, these sites disappear after a few months, leaving buyers without support or a way to contact them. So, there's a serious risk of losing your money or exposing your personal details to scammers. Final verdict: Dr. Curvy Cherry Glam seems to be a questionable product with no verified results or trusted brand behind it. It's better to avoid such sites and only purchase supplements or beauty products from verified sellers or medical-approved brands. Have you seen or tried this product? Share your experience in the comments below. It might help others stay safe. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never fall for fake beauty and health scams again. This is Online Scam Advisor, keeping you safe from online traps and shady product claims. See you in the next video. Thank you.